Hi, it's Doug and Sue from Wastell Homes, and we're super excited to show off this year's Dream Lottery home. Come check it out with us.
It consists of 4,500 square feet of finished space, 4 bedrooms. How many bathrooms, Doug?
2, 4, 5, too many.
A lot of bathrooms.
Well, what actually is your favorite part of the entire kitchen?
The second kitchen.
The second kitchen is your favorite part of the first kitchen. Wow.
What it allows for is people who really love to cook to do that cooking in a separate space. And when they're entertaining then, it leaves the main kitchen free from any mess.
So this stove that we paid all that money for, you don't get dirty? Is that the idea?
It's a pretty stove.
Yes, it's a very pretty stove.
Yeah, with gold accents that match a lot of the rest of the gold in the house.
Does it cook food?
It does cook food really, really well, but it's up to you whether or not you want to use it. That is a microwave.
Soup.
You're pressing open.
I broke it.
Nope, it's good.
Oh, it's a different button to close it. Cool.
Maybe time to get those glasses. I think my favorite part of the house is the great room. The fireplace is beautiful.
Well, this is the only one in Canada right now that's actually installed. Cool thing about this fireplace is it's to be enjoyed year-round.
So it's great for families too that have little kids, because a big complaint that we always hear is people are spending a lot of money on their custom fireplaces, but when the glass gets hot, they're worried with small children if they go and touch it.
I'm touching this. I'm not burnt.
Why didn't you make the ceilings taller? It is nice though that we decided to build this one with a main floor master. That's something new that we haven't done in the past, but we're getting a lot more people looking for that. They'd like to stay in their houses longer.
Yeah, why would you want to move out of this house? It's awesome.
Is that the word of the day?
Of the whole house, it's awesome.
Okay.
This is Sue to a T, is more pillows. I like how tall the ceilings are in here and the fact that it's on the main floor.
I like too the fact that you can exit out of your master bedroom and go directly out to the backyard. It would
Barbecue,
be great.
a little snack before bedtime.
Sure. Nothing like a burger before bed.
I was thinking ribs, but yeah,
Okay.
burger'd be fine.
Yep, good. It's a steam cleaner. So it's like your own mini dry cleaner. You put pants, you could do bedding.
You just take something and put it inside. Arms are so huge. And close it up. Sweet. In 15 minutes, it's all clean. Oh, look at that. My favorite part of the house, the workout area, the gym, the at-home yoga instructor that's right built into the mirror.
There is all different kinds of workouts to choose from. You can do yoga, you can do boxing, you can do
weights.
dance. Yep.
It's the only one in Canada. We're really good at getting the only ones in Canada, aren't we?
Yeah.
This is the coolest thing in the house. I love this. I want one for myself.
So you could get up early and do some yoga or cross training before you go to work.
Or I could sleep in and do it later, yeah. I could also just go down to the basement and watch TV down there. That's a cozy space too, so. Yeah. I don't know, the gym or the basement family room. Because it's big.
It is big.
It is big.
With a big TV.
For watching big games.
Yes, it's football season.
No, hockey.
And football.
Yeah.
So what do you get when you build a Homes Approved home, Doug?
You get peace of mind. That's what you get. You get an extra set of eyes to come and inspect absolutely everything. Thermal cameras, they've got all kinds of testing equipment to make sure that the house we're building is the best, and sometimes you can't see it when you're looking through drywall. These cameras pick that up, and he's got the qualified guys to help make sure our homes are the best every time. Every single house is awesome. This guy won't leave us alone. He's always checking out the houses. I think he's taller in real life.
Yes, he is. His arms are this big.
Thanks for noticing that. So hopefully you'll come and check out this year's Dream Lottery home and help the London hospitals.
And buy some tickets.
Buy tickets. You'll win. Maybe.
I don't think you can say that.
You can't say you win?
No.
Somebody's gonna win. Somebody wins every time.
Okay.
They do.
Yes, I know.
This time it could be you. That person right there is going to win this house or $1 million.